All right, mother truckers. So if you were the DOT officer for the day and you pulled over someone that didn't have a hazmat endorsement, didn't have load securement, didn't have bill of lading, didn't have nothing, but he did have a CDL, does he deserve to get fired, or would you give him another chance? Georgia, DOT Highway Patrol ain't playing. They pulled over this driver right here. I mean, he got no bill ladings. He got no shipping papers. They opened up the trailer. Well, he's carrying 1.4. We're talking about like fireworks, things like that. But dude, he got no load securement, he got no straps, he got no decking bars, he got no nothing. I mean, luckily enough, he had a CDL. Besides that, he was taking this, doing some kind of run, and this is what happens when you do business incorrectly. Mother truckers, comment down below, does this driver deserve to get fired or not? Because honestly, whatever company hired him, man, you deserve to have your company shut down if you're running business like this. This is unacceptable, and this guy does not represent the trucking community. I'm telling you, man. Georgia DOT Highway Patrol, hey, you saved us on this one.